Alright guys, welcome back to another editor tutorial. Today, we're looking at the gradient trigger, which is right here. When you first place down the gradient trigger, you get this blinding white background. But if you're going to edit object and change the colors, let's just say orange and yellow, you'll see that it has actually made a gradient out of those two colors that you just chose. And now if you go to Edit Special, this may look a bit confusing. First thing, you can choose which layer you want the gradient to be on. Change preview opacity here. Gradient IDs. And now for these four numbers, right here. Let's just say I place 4 blocks down like this, and give them all unique group IDs. So I have given the blocks unique group IDs, and now we go here, click Edit Special. U is the top, like the top face. You can see that that is group 2 in our example. And you can see that the gradient now starts, or the top of the gradient is now group 2. D is like the bottom. We will set that to group 4. So now, the gradient's like has a range of from group 2 to group 4. Left is group 1, and right is group 3. We have now created a square with the gradient trigger or a shape with the gradient trigger that we can change however we want to. But where the gradient trigger gets really cool is this checkbox right here, vertex mode. You click that and you get 4 new numbers, BL, BR, TL, and TR. So now, if I do this, we're looking for the bottom left corner, which is group 4. We're looking for the bottom right corner, which is group 3. TL is the top left corner, which is group 1. And then the top right corner, and boom. Now instead of this being a square, this is basically a shape that you can transform into whatever you want. So like we could do something like this. Get rid of this text now. And blending. So the blending basically like determines what happens, like what the gradient actually does to like the layer. And if there are 2 gradients on top of each other, then it'll do the blending twice. Normal just overlays the gradient colors over the layer. Additive adds the RGB values of the colors you chose to the layer that you chose. Multiply does the same thing, but instead of adding, it multiplies. Invert just inverts the colors. And that is basically all for the gradient trigger. Alright, that is going to be it for this video. If you liked it, I'm pretty sure you know what to do at this point. And I'll see you in the next video.